Hi, it's Angeline here. Do you have the new Nuvo Shimmer powders or the Color Burst? Well, today I want to show you how you can paint using these powders. So first, I've already stamped these cute vegetables from the Hope This Grows set from Unity Stamp. And I'm grabbing this Nuvo Shimmer powder in Storm Cloud color. And I'm just squeezing some powder here into an empty container, just a little bit because a little goes a long way. And I'm grabbing my water brush here, squeezing some water into the container and just grabbing some colors to paint directly onto my watercolor cardstock. So if you like more intense color, just grab more powder because there's lots of pigment in it. As you can see, you can create different gradients and shades using just one color. Next, I'm grabbing this sentiment from the New Season New Wonder set from Unity Stamp, and I want to stamp it on this piece of vellum, so I'm grabbing my EK Success powder tool to remove the static before stamping on it. Then I'm grabbing my Watermark ink here and just eyeballing it without any measurement and just stamping right in the middle of the vellum. Then I'm grabbing my gold embossing powder from Ranger to emboss the sentiment in. Next, I'm grabbing my Thermal Web Tape Runner XL here to adhere the vellum to my card. What I like about this adhesive is you cannot see the adhesive when you adhere it to your card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!